Okay, Dr. Huebner, I'm here with Jason, and Jason is coming back the next day. So he had surgery yesterday, had a Hue Plus. And Jason, how was last night for you?
It was great.
Yeah.
And I got home, I had dinner.
Yeah.
Tried to figure out a way to get comfortable and everything, and did. Slept pretty well.
Fantastic.
It's been great.
Okay. And, you know, he's going to continue to take in some ibuprofen today, some pain medication is needed, keep his head still as possible. He had a little bit of bleeding from some of the sites overnight, and that's very common. And at this point, we're just going to leave the dry blood there, and just, you know, as he starts showering tonight with a cup of water, that will all resolve. But you can see the coverage that we've got, and we've hit his whole head. So as this grows in, I can't wait, Jason. I mean, this is going to be phenomenal. Sure. Yeah, awesome, man. Well, thanks for showing everybody, and we look forward to seeing the next video when you have hair up there.
You got it.
All right. Thanks again, Jason.
Thanks a lot.
Right. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.